All right, 4 drawings, 3 from 1974, 1 from 1971. Wow. After Louise Nevelson, Young Tree 6. I'm sorry, Louise Nevelson did this sculpture in 1971. I did the drawing of it in 1974. I must have done it from a book photo because these other drawings I did dated November or December 74, and I did them for my Fundamentals of Art workbook, freshman class. I'm sorry, a sophomore year class at Southern Illinois University School of Art, Carbondale. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Good work, darling. Ken Segan, 1274, December 7th, after Ernst Barlach, Crippled Beggar, Vitrified Clay, 1930. African Mask by A K Segan. I might have drawn this at the Crowned Art Museum in Urbana by the U of I campus, or at I remember a building at the U of I campus that had like anthropological things in it. And Kay, a friend of mine, who lives in Oregon now, November 21st, 74. Wow. And I had already moved to Carbondale from Champaign. I must have gone on a weekend trip and got together with her for tea and coffee or whatever. All right. You flip a page, get on to okay, 2 more drawings. March 74, this is aspects of line, a fan. Actually, it's interesting, I have a fan just like this at home now, which I bought at Goodwill a few years ago. Composition with book, cigarettes, forks, and matchbook. November 22nd, 74. Wow. Wow, wow. Okay, there you have it. Thank you again, Dr. Chi and Prime Minister Mazel. Appreciate your feedback.